This is the Prism Dispersion Interactive Calculator, which analyzes how light bends and separates when passing through optical prisms. Let's explore the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 5 options. Calculate deviation angle for wavelength. Calculate angular dispersion between wavelengths. Calculate dispersive power. Calculate refractive index for minimum deviation, or calculate required incident angle. For this demonstration, I'm using calculate deviation angle for wavelength. Now enter your parameters. Prism apex angle A in degrees, incident angle I1 in degrees, refractive index N, wavelength L1 in nanometers, refractive index N1 for L1, wavelength L2 in nanometers, refractive index N2 for L2, refractive index ND at 589.3 nanometers, minimum deviation dm in degrees, and desired deviation d in degrees. For our example, I'll input 60 degrees for apex angle, 50 degrees incident angle, and 1.5168 for refractive index. After clicking Calculate, the system returns first refraction angle R1 at 30.334 degrees, second refraction angle R2 at 29.606 degrees, deviation angle D at 38.654 degrees, and emergent angle I2 at 48.654 degrees. These values tell us precisely how the light ray bends through the prism. Find the link in the description below.